Hi everyone, my name is Ruksar Nagra. Today I'm going to unbox mosquito and fly killer product. I ordered this online few days ago, so I thought, yeah, I'm gonna try this one because not much people have the videos for this product. So we're gonna start unbox this. Let's see what's the product look like inside. Nicely packed. That's the basically USB mosquito killer. Look nice. So this is basically a USB product. Look nice in there. There's not much in the box. It basically look like a little fan to me. That's the USB cable. Look nice. I think I might try put it on. Let's see if that work okay. So I'm gonna try using that. I'm just putting with the USB to see if that worked fine. This is what it looked like after starting up. There's a few lights in there, so I'm not sure how this product works. Okay, this is what underneath. It's okay, it's not that expensive. It's probably £5 to £6 on eBay. So I'm not sure if this worked properly. I'm gonna try use it and see. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe and like my video, and I will see you in the next video with the unboxing with the new product. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.